back to my channel. This is Maria. Today I will be showing you how to achieve this summer makeup look, which is very on theme. It's very hot outside. You need to look fresh and you need to look presentable as well as protected from the sun. If you want to know how I achieve this makeup look, keep on watching. Right after I wash my face, I would take my vitamin C serum. I just feel like the heat here in Pune or where I used to live in Chennai. My home is back in Chennai. So it's like all these places are so hot. Like they are terribly hot. You can't really wear a lot of makeup and just not sweat. The next step, which is sunscreen. If you go out without sunscreen, there's nothing much gonna happen. Do you see these spots over here? Somewhere here. These spots are because of sun damage. So I did not use sunscreen for like 2 to 3 days because I was traveling and I forgot this buddy over here. I took everything but I forgot this. Very uneven, right? So that's because of not using a sunscreen. That just didn't do well for me and my skin. It basically protects you from all these things. I have a lot of darkness over my face. It's only because you're not wearing your sunscreen properly. I have seen visible results when I wear it and when I don't wear it. So please take my advice for that. So the next step would be, I'm using a concealer and I'm going full blown with my concealer because I'm going out. If you want to go very light with your makeup, you can just go with this concealer. I'm using this concealer from K-Beauty. So first step would be I go for my eye bags, my upper lids, my chin, side of my mouth. I'm applying a lot this time because I don't really use foundation, so this would be just right. Okay, I'm gonna use a beauty blender because I don't want any harsh lines over my face because I have a lot of concealer over here. So I want everything to be in one color. Everything to literally blend in just one skin together. Forehead, just go around my nose. I don't use powder. Face just looks oily all the time, but it's not very oily. It's just the hot weather and me not having an air conditioner right now at the moment. My skin type is very much dry to normal. I need to apply something or else my skin just doesn't give out a lot of natural oil. So this palette is from Mars Cosmetics. It's all I need makeup kit and it has some of the face powders like blush, highlighter and bronzer. Over here you have all the eyeshadows. I'm gonna take this light brown shade and all I'm gonna do is apply it all over my lid. I'm not going overboard with my eyeshadow, not on a daily basis. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna apply a little bit of highlighter just in my inner corners, right? Nykka liquid liner. Next step is mascara. The next step, I'm going to use cheek and lip tint from Earth Rhythm. This is a very beautiful product. A lot of pigment, but at the same time, I've noticed that when skin tone like mine hits colors like these, it looks kind of very different, right? And for the last step, I'm gonna take a very bright pink shade this is from Swiss Beauty. Little goes a long way with this lipstick. This lipstick actually completes the whole look. I'm gonna pair this look with these cute little hoopy rings. Okay. Voila. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you really liked my video and if you like this makeup look on me, please give a thumbs up. And if you didn't like anything about this video, or if you would like to give me any suggestions about it, you could definitely put your suggestions in the comments, and I will make sure that I give you the right kind of content you need. So I was just thinking to color my hair, and I have already got the color. I will be showing you in the next video that what I am planning for my hair color. So stay tuned for that. Bye bye.